Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for Chinese chicken char siu. Glazed to perfection, sweet, savory and sticky. This chicken char siu is sure to impress your taste buds. So let's begin the recipe. So for this recipe we will take chicken thighs along with the leg, and this is with the skin. This is also boneless. We will flip it and we will make pricks on it using a fork. Once we have prepped the chicken, we will prepare the marinade. Into a bowl, we will add 1 tablespoon honey. Now this dish is sweet, so along with it, we will also add 1.5 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce. We will also add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Into this, we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is ready-made ginger garlic paste. We will add half teaspoon of white pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. For the tempting red color, we will take quarter teaspoon red food color and mix it with a little water and add it to this mixture. Mix it well and add the seasonings like salt and chicken powder. Here I have taken half teaspoon salt. You can add it as per your taste. And into this we will add half teaspoon of chicken powder. Give it a good mix. Once the marinade is ready, we will add our chicken thighs to this mixture and mix it well and coat the chicken thighs well in this marinade. Once the chicken thighs are nicely coated in this marinade, we will marinate this for at least 2 hours or maximum for overnight. Now you can cook the chicken with a little bit oil in a pan, or you can bake it like me in a glass tray lined with silver foil so that you don't have to clean up the mess after this is cooked. Now place your marinated chicken thighs into the tray that we have lined with silver foil and then bake it in a preheated oven at 230 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping it at regular intervals so that it cooks on both sides. Now slice the chicken and serve it on a bed of fried rice or steamed rice and enjoy. I hope you like today's recipe. The detailed recipe will be available on my website cookwithjudyandflo.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.